It is the mighty Tim Fierce.
Good there. Right here?
On location at a park for Joel's video.
We scared off all the kids.
We did. It's Ryan. I don't like Ryan. Oh. Okay, I gotta go. We gotta shoot. Bye. Oh, you just bailed from a swing.
Yeah. What if I pushed you?
I'm not good at swinging.
I can push you from the...
Push me off of this?
Yeah.
I'm currently rocking Tim's glasses because I am the... What am I in this video again?
The officiator.
I'm the officiator of the swing race?
Yeah. The official.
The official swing racing officiator guy.
We're shooting slow motion
Can I start swinging or what?
of Mr. Tim Fierce swinging on a swing set.
This isn't working.
Oh yes.
Keep your hands.
And that's Joel.
Keep him around here.
He's the director today.
Don't zoom.
Super zoom. Just because you said it, I'm gonna zoom. Oh no, I zoomed back out. All right.
How you feeling?
Not great.
Is it your tummy? It's your tummy.
The vlog, we're swinging and falling. Get on the swing!
I'm getting on the swing. I'm so excited. We can have our own version of this.
Let's reenact the shoot, okay? Ready?
Okay,
We're gonna start here, and it's gonna be like, and then we're just gonna go, and then they're both playing me.
And here I'm you.
I'm Tim. And I'm Joel.
And then I have to go. This is better than what we did.
Let's just post that.
Inspired.
Do you mind if I post that on my channel?
There you go. Perfect. We're done.
Celebrate.
Yay! Hey, you!
We're all done.
Yeah. We are.
Well, well.
You liked it?
We did. We got everything right.
Yeah, everything. We have everything.
Okay. Holy crap! We forgot Tim.
Where's?
Oh.
Yourself.